was lying there in the VA hospital, started having these dreams of flying. I was free, trying to understand this deep connection people have to the forest. She talks about a network of energy that flows through all living things. She says all energy is only borrowed, and one day you have to give it back.
What we think we know is that there is some kind of electrochemical communication between the roots of the trees, like the synapses.